What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna do something different. We're gonna do an unbox. As you can see, we're gonna be unboxing the Xiaomi AirDots in-ear headphones. So it's a much cheaper version of the old and goods Apple AirPods that you can purchase and I get in some BFBO. So I'm gonna be opening the box for you so you can see. It's the Redmi Xiaomi AirDots. It comes in this blue box. It's a pretty simple package. This is the case. It has a magnetic trick and the phones. It's pretty much simple to turn on. There's a big button in each of the phones. And the connection, it's fast. The sound, it's pretty good for an in-ear headphones. And as far as I can test, the battery duration time, it's almost like 2 or 3 hours according to the volume, according to the sounds that you listen. There's a cable, the manual in the box, in addition with the other points to the ear. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I see you later. All the best!